Hey guys, hello everyone, good afternoon. Please, I would like to say this, and I want you to share the video to get to whoever it may concern. This is very essential. It's very important. It's a very important message. There was a video I saw on Facebook and on YouTube just now. So I decided it will not be proper for me to act as if I don't know. I decided it will not be proper for me to act as if I'm not seeing those videos, knowing fully well the message that was written to me on my inbox on WhatsApp before the person blocked me. Yes. So for this simple reason, I like to clear the air just for the people involved to be cleared. Yes, I titled this live video "Apology to the brother that the audio was released." Why am I apologizing? It's because the person in question, when I heard that audio, I was shocked. When I listened to the audio, I was shocked because me, I don't even have the audio in my phone anymore. For some years now, the audio was sent to me like 2 or 3 years ago, and me, I don't even have the audio in my phone anymore. So when some of my colleagues were saying they have audio to release, I thought it was other audio. But I was shocked when they were playing the audio. It was one of the audio sent from a friend, like a brother. You understand? And this is the kind of person who doesn't like the name to be dragged to social media. This is the kind of person who doesn't like to be talked about. He doesn't want to be involved in social media issue. So the thing is really, I'm really pained in my heart. If my colleague that I sent the audio to that time, if they had confided in me, I'm not sure I would have permitted it. I wouldn't have permitted it. I swear to God, I would have said no need, because the person confided in me personally like a sister. You understand? So that's why, if you know that you received this video I'm making now, just know that Shine Francis Odige Osenige was not part of that audio released. I was not part of that audio released. Please, my dear brother, I know you might be disappointed, but me, I don't have that audio with me again. That time I received the audio, out of shock, I sent it to about few of my friends in the industry, like, look at what this person did to a friend that I introduced her to. You understand? So me, I even stopped using that phone, and I don't even have the audio on my phone again. But when I was shocked when Izzy and this other girl were talking, she said she will release audio, and when I listened to the audio they were released, even my husband was with me. When I listened to the audio they released, it was that audio from a brother. The guy is like a brother to me. So I want to appeal to you. I want you to know, I came out specially to tell you, to apologize to you. Lawowo Otene Gegui, I megime audio ni me bono kweje. But we on sending me audio ni on me or sending me audio ni years ago, and he gave me a message you were inboxing me on my other WhatsApp line, because I don't always use that line on WhatsApp. It was when they hacked this my WhatsApp line that I started using that one. As soon as I was able to retrieve my WhatsApp back, I started using this my WhatsApp again. So going to that other number, I saw that the guy dropped message from me on the WhatsApp, and he already blocked me. Before God and man, that guy was a nice person. He's a nice friend. He's a brother, you know. So in having released the audio now, it has cracked our relationship. between me and that guy. It has cracked a relationship between me and the guy. Understand? So he begged the video ban no la coco. So I decided to like, Sha, you cannot just be keeping mute like this. So where I have to speak my mind, because even the other person involved will be thinking it was Shine that released it. Even this, I'm particular about this guy because he's like a brother to me. So he'll be so disappointed, like, Shine go give my audio to social media presenter. No, they are my colleagues. They weren't social media presenter. In short, they were like friends. They are friends. They were like close to me, like sisters. At a time, we were very close. Everybody knows. Something like Izzy, we were like sisters at a time. You understand? So, Adegeni, out of that shock, look at the way this person treated me. He sent the egg where, that me audio now. So out of that shock, which was about 2 or 3 years ago, me not send the egg, me the audio. So La Wowo Oteme, I'm appealing to you, please, for releasing it at all, at any time. I now see that it was a mistake. Please forgive me. I didn't intentionally want to drop your audio to social media presenters, or Izzy wasn't a social media presenter, so she was just an ordinary person. So I felt she would listen to the audio and also do away with it, just like I did. Understand? So seeing it now, and it's now everywhere, I know you will not be happy wherever you are, and I'd like you to know that I'm not happy about it too. If Izzy as a friend had called me and say, Shine, I want to release this audio where you send me that year, I still get them. I will say, I beg. No put me inside. I beg, no release them. Because the person a very shy person. The person will not be happy. You understand? So as I'm just talking now, I am heartbroken. I feel like crying. I'm really heartbroken. I feel like crying. Please, I just want to appeal to you. I want you to know that I'm not a party to this. If I was rich, I was confided in that I want to release this one so audio, I would say no, please don't release it. You understand? But seeing it now that is everywhere, and I know that the person involved is a very shy person, is somebody who wouldn't want to be involved with social media. You understand? So I'm really, I'm highly disappointed. At this time, I'm disappointed. And brother, I want you to know that I'm not a party to this audio release at this moment. I'm not a party to the audio release. I'm not. Even Bobo, he may release the audio. They didn't confide in me. They didn't reach me. They didn't tell me they were going to release the audio. And seeing it on social media, I'm shocked, as just the same way you are shocked. I'm shocked, but because of my husband, I didn't want to come out to talk about anything since. But seeing the video that Olakoko released, I just watched it now. I just came across it on Facebook, and I went to YouTube. I said, no, Shine, you cannot keep quiet. You cannot continue to keep mute. That's why I said, let me just clear the air. Brother, please, just know that I'm not a party to it. I didn't tell anybody to release the audio on social media. I didn't. I never did. Please, just know it that I'm not a party to it. I'm not a party to it. Please. And if I offended you by giving it out to a friend, then I'm sorry. I am very sorry. Dragging you out like this is not my thing. It's never my intention. I was just shocked, like, why? Look at what a friend did to a guy that they are supposed to like have a relationship. Is this good? That was why I shared it to my friends, and I never knew that they still had the audio. Please, I'm deeply sorry. I'm honestly sorry about this whole thing that you are going through. I can imagine what you are going through right now, because I know that this is what you hate most. Is what you hate most as a person. Please, I'm sorry. I'm very sorry. Please, I'm very, very sorry. I'm not a party to the release of the audio. I swear to God, I don't have that audio with me anymore. I've gone past all those things, all those saga, all those disputes. I don't have the audio with me anymore. And I was shocked when the audio was released. Please, just try and understand and know that I was never a part of the audio released. Thank you. I hope that you understand. Even though we don't, even if you choose not to talk to me anymore, even if you choose not to chat with me anymore, even if you choose not to trust me anymore, but just know that I was never a party to the release of that audio. I'm not a party to it. Oh, please, just try and understand. I'll be very grateful if you understand and know that I was not a party to the release of that audio. God bless you. Wese, wa talk